This is the ALTA Lift Assist strap with the bracket system that just went live. This is a different strap on a retractable strap. It's a little more heavy duty. Right now it's in open position when it's pressed all the way in like this, and this basically retracts it when you press the button here. But when it's all the way down, it's open. So then we connect this with the spring-loaded security interface to the paracord around the auxiliary hole, either on your rack. You can also go to your hitch loops. To bring it back, you just press this button and it retracts back. To crank it, you press this button, you bring it one notch over, and then this mounts to your existing hardware, so it goes on your bolt that is holding up your top bars. So if you come around, you'll see that bolt is the bolt that goes across, and it utilizes the same bolt to get that. You want to make the bracket tight on that bolt, but you want the strap to be able to move, especially if you got it on a swinger. This can stay on when you swing the rack out. It actually helps with tightening when you have a table on as well. Again, this is the Lift Assist that we're releasing. We've been testing this and we're very pleased with this. You can lift back the bikes up when the rack is lowered and hopefully save your back.